this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about how you can add new instructor or multiple instructor in your course. So you can see I have an instructor on my course. So to add a new instructor, you have to visit your WordPress dashboard and you have to select a specific page where you want to, specific course where you want to add the instructors. So I will add my instructors on this course. So here is the course backend, and on the right side, we can see we have this LifterLMS icon. You have to click on here. And on this instructor search box, we have to search for our instructor. So our instructors are already registered on our website. We have to visit users and all users, and then instructors. And from here, I can see all my 8 instructors, and I can add any of them to my courses. So I will search for one instructor, that is Sarah. And I want to add another instructor. So here it is. So now I can also change the level. So I will add teacher. Same for this one. Now we also can remove it from here. So now if I click on update, we also have this visibility options. So now if I visit my course page and refresh that page, here you can see my 2 instructors. So this is how you can add the instructor. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.